Kyrgyz Uzbek University, Professional College, Pedagogical Department. The discipline, Regional Study. Teacher Saykal Sherieva. Hello, dear students. Let's begin our lecture. The theme is English-speaking countries. The aims of the lesson. Educational. To form the knowledge of the English-speaking countries. To bring up interest, respect to subject, English language and other cultures. Developing. To develop listening and speaking skills. The competence of the lesson. Students know geographical features, places, people, and objects related to the English-speaking countries. Students are able to conduct discussion on the content of topics. Students own a holistic system of knowledge about English-speaking countries and their cultures. English is an official language in 60 countries, and the biggest of them are Great Britain, the USA, Australia, Canada, and New Zealand. Let's begin to talk about Great Britain. The official name of Great Britain is the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. It is situated on the British Isles. The British Isles are separated from Europe by the English Channel. The British Isles are washed by the North Sea in the east and the Atlantic Ocean in the west. The territory of Great Britain is divided into 4 parts: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. England. England is the largest part of the United Kingdom. Nearly 84% of population of the United Kingdom lives in England, mainly in the major cities and metropolitan areas. England shares land borders with Scotland to the north and Wales to the west. It is closer to continental Europe than any other part of Britain. England is a country of lowland. The capital city of England is London. The red rose is the national symbol or the emblem of England. Scotland. Scotland is one of the 4 parts of the Great Britain. The territory of Scotland is about 30,000 square miles. Scotland has a population of just over 5 million people. The main cities of the country are its capital, Edinburgh, and the main industrial centre, Glasgow. The Highlands of Scotland is mountainous and wild. The English language is spoken all over Scotland with a variety of regional accents, Scottish dialects. Thistle is the symbol of Scotland. Scotland is also famous for its kilt, the most important part of national dress, and bagpipes, the national instrument. Wales. Wales is a country situated in the west of Britain. The population of Wales is about 3 million. The area of Wales is 20,764 square kilometers. Wales has high mountains, including Mount Snowdon, the second highest mountain in Britain. There are two national languages in Wales: the Welsh language, which is spoken widely, especially in the north of the country, and English. The capital of Wales is Cardiff. The symbols of Wales are leek and daffodil. Northern Ireland. Northern Ireland is one of the four countries of the United Kingdom. The country is washed by the North Channel and the Irish Sea. The population of Northern Ireland is about 1.7 million people. Northern Ireland consists of 26 districts and 6 counties of Antrim, Armagh, Down, Fermanagh, Londonderry, and Tyrone. Belfast is the capital and largest city of Northern Ireland. Shamrock is the national symbol of Northern Ireland. These are the main sites of Great Britain. Now about the United States of America. The United States of America is one of the greatest countries in the world. It is situated on the North American continent and is washed by 3 oceans: the Pacific, the Atlantic, and the Arctic. The USA borders only on 2 countries, Canada and Mexico. The total area of the USA is over 9 million square kilometers. The population of the USA is over 300 million people. Most of the population lives in towns and cities. This great country has a lot of mountains, rivers, lakes. The capital of the USA is Washington. America has 50 states and 1 federal district of Columbia, where the capital of the country is situated. The main cities are located on the Pacific and Atlantic coasts. New York is the largest city of the country. Other large cities are San Francisco, Los Angeles, Detroit, Chicago, Phoenix, and Dallas. The USA is a country of highly developed industry and agriculture. The national emblem of the USA is a bald eagle. The flag of the USA is often called Stars and Stripes. The 50 stars on the flag represent the 50 states of the USA, and 13 stripes represent the 13 British colonies that declared independence from the Great Britain and became the first states in the Union. These are sites of the USA. About Australia. The country's official name is Commonwealth of Australia. Australia is a large country lying between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Its area is about 8 million square kilometers. The population of Australia is about 18 million. The capital of Australia is Canberra. The largest cities are Sydney, Melbourne, Adelaide, and Perth. English is the official language of Australia. The national currency is the Australian dollar. The Australian coat of arms consists of a shield containing the badges of the 6 Australian states symbolizing federation, and the national symbols of the golden wattle, the kangaroo, and the emu. These are sides of Australia. Canada. Canada is an independent federative state. It is one of the most developed countries. Canada consists of 10 provinces and 2 territories. It is situated on the North American continent. In size, Canada is the second in the world after Russia. Its area is almost 10 million square kilometers. The population of Canada is 29 million people. Canada is often called the land of maple leaf. The capital of Canada is Ottawa, which is situated on the bank of the Ottawa River. It is famous for its beautiful parks. It is also known as the City of Bridges. Official languages of Canada are English and French, but many other languages are spoken: Italian, Chinese, German, Polish, and Greek. The maple leaf is the national emblem of Canada. These are sides of Canada. And the last country about New Zealand. New Zealand is an island country in the Southwest Pacific Ocean. New Zealand belongs to a large island group called Polynesia. The country is situated on 2 main islands, the North Island and the South Island. There are also around 700 small islands. Wellington is the capital of New Zealand, and Auckland is the largest city. English is the official language of New Zealand. Many native people speak their own language, Maori, in addition to English. New Zealand is famous for its beautiful nature. It's mostly mountains and hills. The kiwi is the national emblem of New Zealand. And these are sides of New Zealand. And now, quiz. Remember all lecture and try to answer these questions. First, what is the national symbol of America? Second, what is the capital of Canada? Third, the population of Australia is. Fourth, what is the official name of Great Britain? Fifth, what languages do people speak in New Zealand? Sixth, how many districts and counties does Northern Ireland consist? 7. What countries does the USA border? 8. Where is situated Australia? 9. The symbol of England is. And the last question, 10. New Zealand is situated on 2 main islands. Which? The lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Good luck.